Brickyard 5675, just want to verify you received your clearance. Can you verify your beacon code and your departure, please?
1145, we're doing the varsity 3, no key transition, Brickyard 5675.
Okay, that's correct. Brickyard 5675, runway 27 right, continue Mike Lima Charlie.
Mike Lima Charlie, 27 right, Brickyard 5675.
Brickyard 5675, monitor tower 119.3. Sorry about the confusion.
19.3, no problem, sir. Brickyard 5675, have a good day.
Brickyard 5675, you with me?
5675.
Roger. Hold short of Mike 16 there. I believe they need to go back to the ramp. Just give me 1 second.
Mike 16, we'll stay with you, 5675.
Alright, Brickyard 5675, actually make the left on to Lima for me. Next taxi. Left Lima, short of Juliet, and go back to ground on .75. He'll work it out for you.
Left Lima, short Juliet, and you said we're going back to ramp, Brickyard 5675?
I believe you are going to have to go back to ramp. So yeah, Lima, short of Juliet, call ground .75 again, and I think he has another frequency about something else, but I believe you are going to have to go back to the ramp.
Oh joy. Lima, Juliet, and back to .75, Brickyard 5675. Hey, ground Brickyard 5675, Lima, Juliet, back with you.
Okay, Brickyard 5675, hold short of Juliet, and the word is that you may have ingested a hat there coming out of the ramp or powering up to start up, whatever. They want you to call them on 128.87. Short of Juliet, 2887, and discuss it with them, please.
All right, Lima, short Juliet, and we're going to go over 2887. We'll still monitor you, Brickyard 5675.
Ground Brickyard 5675, yeah, we're going to need to make our way back to ramp 5 here. We'll stand by right here, and we need to go into ramp 5.
Okay, are you ready now? Because now would be a good time.
Yes, sir.
Right, taxi Lima to the ramp.
Lima to the ramp, Brickyard 5675.